I'd like to welcome you to the presentation today. It's to do with workplace practices, sustainable work practices, and this one will include e-waste. Introduction. I would like to welcome everyone to the presentation, and hopefully after this presentation we will all be able to reduce various things within the office environment. I am planning to make this a short 7 to 10 minute presentation, as I know time is very limited to everyone. Reducing the usage of waste materials. As you can see, I've made some better diagrams here. Send an email to staff instead of printing paper, which will save costs in the end. So it'll reduce our waste costs if we email copies rather than post them or print them or anything. Reducing electricity costs within the office. As you can see, I've included Sorry, we just had a glimpse here. Pause that for a minute, MP. Sorry, I've stuffed up. I lost my presentation. The mouse, I lost it.
I can't pause it.
Okay, sorry about that, just a little bit of a glimpse there. Ways of reducing electricity costs within the office. As you can see, open the blinds where possible to allow light to come into the office. As you can see, I've made a little demonstration there of the blinds, and if you open them up, let light come in. By using the email system, this will reduce wastage in the office as well, just to let you know. How to minimise injury-related issues. When you're sitting at a computer for a long period, you should take regular breaks from your office area. For every 30 to 60 minutes, you should stand up, move around, do something else, get a beverage, take a lap around the office. This allows you to rest and exercise different muscles, and you'll feel less tired. You should try to have the office environment set up to suit your sitting arrangement. Have a seat specifically set to your comfort, as you don't want to be sitting on an uncomfortable chair for such a period of time. Have the keyboard and monitor set to your height. So you don't want to have a keyboard up here or keyboard down here. You need to have it set at the right height for you. Okay, here's a type of chair that would be good. It's got good, as you can see, it's got good posture for your back. It can be adjusted so the height can go up and down. It's on wheels as well. It's a very suitable chair, and it's also got side parts here, so you can actually rest your arms on it if you need to. Okay, the next one I've got is a type of desk that would be suitable. It's clear of clutter and easy to use. And it is using the adjustable chair, as you can see, and plenty of light is coming through those windows. So as you can see with them, there's no blinds there, which is really good because it's opening up everything and giving you a lot of light. Pardon me. Okay, another desk that would be suitable. It's very similar to the previous desk, but this one is using blinds, as you can see. A little bit different to the blinds I displayed, but these blinds can be adjusted just as easy as any other blinds. Instead of them going side to side, they go from bottom to top, and they can be adjusted to halfway if that's what you need. It's got plenty of light, as all the other ones have. Overall, of the office ergonomic setup, an office worker should spend time on their desk than anywhere else within the office environment. That is why it is important for and correct equipment and setup is achieved, as this will prevent injuries within the workplace. Here are some tips in relation to how to set up an office. An office chair should be chosen that suits the user comfortably. The knees should be at a 90-degree angle with your feet flat on the floor or supported by a footrest, if appropriate. This then provides maximum lower back support, and then therefore limits the risk of injury, and therefore less time on taking sick leave. Position the keyboard and mouse directly in front of you and your monitor. The computer screen should be just below your eye level and tilted to reduce the glare. Sometimes people attach glare monitors to their screen. This can be very helpful. Now, the new part I want to talk about is e-waste. Some good tips on reducing the amount of e-waste within the office are by doing the following. Any used or dead batteries for calculators, etc., if they're not electronic, should be kept separately and disposed of in the correct way. When and how often this is done depends on how quickly batteries are used within the office. If and where possible, try to reuse your ink cartridges, and if you aren't able to reuse ink cartridges, dispose of them correctly. This is usually a place that takes collection of old used cartridges. When purchasing new equipment, always look for the Energy Star sign rating or certified by the Electronic Product Environmental Assessment Tool. Do we have any questions on the presentation today?
No.
No.
Does anyone need anything explained in the presentation today?
No.
Conclusion. I would like to thank you all for listening to this presentation. I hope this presentation has shown everyone things we could do within the office to reduce wastage and reduce costs within the office. I would appreciate if you could complete the short evaluation on the presentation made here today, and please email it back to my email address, aiken853@gmail.com. Thank you.
Please. That's what's why that not.
How do I stop it? Because I can't stop it.